Welcome back. Let's quickly go over how to add a button in Excel. So from the Home tab, you're going to need the Developer tab enabled. If you don't see it up here, just right-click on anything up in this ribbon, click Customize over on the right side, customize the ribbon. You're going to want to scroll down to the bottom, find Developer, because won't be checked. So just select the check mark, click OK. From here, you want to go to Insert. The first option is a button. So you drag it to make it how big you want. Then you can assign it a macro. So let's just record a quick macro. So now we just right click this, sign macro, sign the macro, and we just had macro that created quick text. Let's just do anything, click anywhere, and it will just do the macro. So you can really assign it any macro that you want. So that's a quick way just to make a macro more available. To edit it or move it, you have to right click it. To drag it, readjust, or change the uh, the text on the button. And that's all. Please like, subscribe, comment. Thanks.